Forget to distribute. Cut. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. In this video, I have prepared the basic of hustle for followers. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and discuss the posture of hustle. Since this is a Latin dance, we are going to keep a beautiful Latin dance posture with our feet in nice V shape, heels together, toes slightly apart, ankles, knees, hips, and shoulders nicely stacked up, abs engaged, chest open, shoulders down. From there, imagine someone is pulling you up straight towards the sky so you feel elevated on the upper body. It is time for us to discuss the steps for hustle. For followers, we are going to go ahead and step back with the right and step down onto the left and march with the right and with the left. Let me demonstrate it one more time. Tap with the right, replace weight back to the left, bring our right foot to the left, march and march. Very good. For footwork, we are going to place ball of our right foot for the first step and ball flat on the left, ball flat, and ball flat. One more time. Ball, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat. Very good. It is time for us to discuss the timing for hustle. First step is going to be ah, which is a quarter of a beat. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Ah, 1, 2, 3. The timing of hustle is quite unusual compared to other ballroom and Latin dances, so I highly recommend you guys to get familiar with dancing to the beat of the music. And remember that the first step, ah, is a part of the count 3. Ah, 1, 2, 3, ah, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now it is time for us to try together to the music. Make sure to stand tall. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now that we've tried it to the music, let's go ahead and discuss the techniques of hustle. One thing to note in hustle is when you're doing the rocking motion, it is important to distribute some of the weight onto our right foot. So oftentimes what we see happen during our classes is that we are skipping to distribute any weight on the right and just go. Tap go or just point and go. So that can cause us to miss out on the musicality and the timing, as well as some of the important characteristics of hustle, such as straightened posture and a good balance. So when you're doing the rock step, make sure to distribute some of the energy onto your right foot, causing that rocking motion before you replace your weight back to the left. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Ah, 1, 2, 3. The more comfortable you are in distributing your weight onto the right foot during the rock step, higher chances it is for you to be able to demonstrate the perfect musicality as well as the characteristics of hustle. I wish you guys the good luck. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had a wonderful time trying out this fun, dynamic Latin dance hustle with me. If you like our videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future dance videos. I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another basic step. Bye!